Thanks for tuning in the channel. Today we're working on something new. That's right, it's not the Defender, it's not the Forerunner. It's waiting for us upstairs, so let's go take a look. So this guy definitely is not new to YouTube. It's definitely not new to the market. It's actually discontinued. It's been discontinued for a while. I don't actually know how many years. I've been looking everywhere for this. I really like this 6x6. Everyone has the TRX6. I'm not the biggest fan of the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon body. I think this is way more cooler as a utility, rugged, off-road machine. I found it on Facebook Marketplace from a local awesome guy. It is literally brand new, factory sealed, in the box still. I'm super excited to open this guy and take a look and make some wicked videos of this. So let's open this up and see what we got here. So under the body we got a pretty awesome setup from factory. Got in the bumper, there's already LED lights, nicely ran. Got your servo mounted up front. You got your battery mounted up front, which is going to help nicely with keeping the weight on the front going up those hills. Got your dynamite waterproof electronics here, Spectrum receiver inside, nicely sealed box. Motor, transfer case here, and you got your double axles in the back. Again, it's got LED lights, you got nice tail lights, got a nice support on the inside, and again on the front got headlights and signals or fog lights or just amber park lights, whatever you want to make those. I'm totally gonna put some orange park lights in the middle and add some more headlights to the front there. They already come with the buckets, which is perfect. Make it nice and easy for you. So one of the very first things I went to check was the battery tray here. The ESC is 3S capable, which is awesome. I've been running my 3S Gen Ace lipos here, and my rock crawler, it lasts for like 3 hours. I've been loving that, so I immediately went to check, and it just does not fit. It's not a big deal, it's plastic, so I'm gonna just Dremel out the front or the back, and we'll make the battery fit. It's an easy fix, but just wanted to note that if anyone's getting one of these. safety first.